Now see, we understood about the marketing management and everything. So let's now understand what is marketing and selling. See, it is a very common understanding that marketing and selling are same, but remember there is a difference. Marketing and selling are two different items as such. Okay, when we are talking about selling, it is just a part of marketing. Marketing as such is a large set of activities wherein selling is just one part. So marketing would involve from deciding what to sell to the customer. Okay, so let's say that you go and do a market analysis and you say, this is the product I want to sell. I'm manufacturing cell phones, I want to sell this kind of cell phones. Okay, then you decide on your target market. What is the target market? See, for example, you feel that in India the amount of population between the age group of 15 to 40 is quite high. So you are planning to design a cell phone which will cater to the needs of people who are in the age group of 15 to 40. So that would be your target market. So marketing would involve deciding on the target market, deciding on the specifications of your cell phone so that the customer's demand would be satisfied, whereas selling would just involve selling the product to the consumer, inducing him to buy your product. Okay, so as I just told you, marketing involves whole range of activities relating to planning, pricing. So you will also decide what would be the price of the cell phone depending on the target market's capability to buy and what are the competitors selling the same cell phone or similar kind of product at what price. Promotion, how you are going to do the promotion, what would be the way to attract customers. Distributing the goods, so how they are, what would be the channels of distribution, even that would involve when you're doing a marketing plan, that in such a manner all these things need to be planned, that so that customers demand is satisfied, customers need is satisfied. Selling is only restricted to promoting the goods and services you intend to provide. Okay, so salesmanship, advertisement, publicity, short term incentives, or transferring the title of the product when it is transferred from seller to buyer, all this is a part of selling activity. Now let's quickly see the difference between the two. So one is a part of the process, selling is a part of the process, marketing as we understood is a wider term. Okay, now selling would always concentrate on transferring the title from the seller to the buyer. Marketing here involves satisfying the customer's demand, customer's need. Profit through sales maximization. So when you're doing selling activity, the concentration is to ensure that the profits are maximized by selling as much as possible. Here again in marketing we target satisfaction of customer because we want repeat sales, we want customers to come back, we want our organization to grow in long run to survive. Hence we always focus on customer satisfaction in marketing. Now remember, selling would be the start of the activity, or and whereas marketing is the entire set of activities from start to end. Okay, so selling basically starts when the products is manufactured, so only then the selling would start. Marketing is much before that. Okay, so marketing is from start till end it is involved, wherein when you plan what product to be sold, what is the target market, what is the price, how the promotion would be carried out. So you can see there is a whole range of activities, hence marketing is start and end of activities. Now difference is emphasis. Here selling will emphasize on profit maximization. Okay, the emphasis is more on creating wealth, whereas in terms of marketing the emphasis is more on satisfying the needs of the customer. In terms of strategies, selling would use the strategy of promoting the product, so it would be focused only on promoting the product, whereas here in marketing we will define and decide what would be the strategies we need to have in terms of marketing, okay, in terms of promotion or in terms of distribution of the product, so that the customers' needs are satisfied and there is a repeat sales happening, or the sales of the organization keeps on increasing. So that's the difference between these two terms.